If you are planning to buy a smart TV but don't know what to choose, you come to the right place. Hey guys, what's up? Abhishek here. Today we are going to unbox the new Xiaomi Mi LED TV 4C Pro. Upon opening the box, we find two base stands, 4 screws, one user manual, one voice remote, and the TV itself. At the bottom, we can see the two slots for the base stands, a power button, and two bottom firing speakers. On the back, we can see the MI barcodes, model number, and 4 slots for wall mounting the TV. On the side, we can find one Ethernet port, VGA ports, 3 HDMI ports, 2 into USB 2.0 ports, one cable antenna, and one 3.5mm headphone jack. The remote has a power button, a voice search or Google Assistant button, the directional pad, the MI home button, the back button, the Android home button, and the volume controls. On its back, we can find the Bluetooth logo. This is a Bluetooth enabled remote, so you needn't point the remote to the TV. It has an ultra bright HD display. It has 2 into 10 watt powerful DTS HD speakers, and it runs on an Amlogic 64-bit quad-core processor with 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. It runs on a Patchworld 2.0 UI, which runs on the Android TV OS. And last but not the least, we have the Google Assistant enabled Bluetooth remote. So let's fire up the TV and pair the remote via Bluetooth and finish the initial setup process. So the initial setup process has been completed, and we can see the Patchworld user interface 2.2, which is a proprietary skin by Xiaomi on top of Android TV OS. We can change the inputs from the TV main screen itself. The inbuilt TV apps include a gallery app, media player, and a TV manager. In the TV manager app, we can see the diagnosis of the TV, like the storage, RAM, etc. There is also a provision to sideload APKs via USB device. So let's open the YouTube app. The contrast levels are very good. The colors are punchy enough. As it is an LED panel made by LG, the brightness and saturation levels are very good. The official release date of the Prime Video and Netflix is unknown yet, but there is an easy way to sideload the APK and it works perfectly. So let's fire up the Netflix app. The Netflix app can be sideloaded via an APK, but it has to be controlled via an air mouse only for now.
Unless you lose 500 pounds and brush your teeth. What is that noise you're making? After 30 days, or maybe someday, you will have ears like mine.
So the air mouse can be purchased separately on Amazon.in for a price of 1899 Indian rupees. It has a very good finish, and on its back there is a full-size keyboard which is very helpful while typing. For a price tag of 14,998 Indian rupees, it is a bang for the buck. For anyone who wants a smart and small TV, it is a very good choice. I have bought this TV on Amazon.in for the price of 12,500. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon in the next video. Until then, please like and subscribe. Thank you.